Understanding the phrase, soft as a lamb, an English language learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and picturesque phrase, soft as a lamb. This phrase is not just about texture. It's rich in meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and discover the nuances of this expression together. Soft as a lamb is an idiomatic expression stemming from the literal softness of a lamb's wool. It's a classic example of a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things using as or like. This phrase has been used for centuries to describe not just physical softness but also gentleness and innocence. Literal meaning. In its literal sense, soft as a lamb refers to something that is physically soft to the touch, just like a lamb's wool. Figurative meaning. Figuratively, it describes a person or behavior that is gentle, kind, and compassionate. When someone is said to be soft as a lamb, it often means they have a gentle nature or a tender, caring personality. Describing personality. Example: despite his tough exterior, he's as soft as a lamb when it comes to helping others. In literature and poetry, poets often use this phrase to convey innocence or gentleness in their imagery. In everyday conversation, it's used in casual speech to describe someone's gentle nature. While soft as a lamb is widely understood in English-speaking cultures, similar expressions exist in other languages too. Recognizing these cultural variations can enrich our understanding of how gentleness and softness are perceived globally. We hope this exploration of soft as a lamb has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the imagery and emotions they evoke. Stay curious, and keep exploring the beauty of English expressions. See you in our next video.